Ever catch yourself at the edge of a quiet dawn, notebook in hand, mapping out the day's conquests with that familiar mix of grit and grace we've all learned the hard way? This Dell ECT1250 is honed for the quiet force in you, the one who orchestrates symphonies from spreadsheets and snapshots, turning the humdrum into harmonies that ripple through your world without fanfare. Just a glance, drop your eyes to the pricing and stock snapshot below, because rhythms this reliable don't echo forever. It dawned on you during that marathon merge of family archives, didn't it? Your creaky all-in-one from the early stream days, its screen flickering like a faulty memory, bogging down on basic batches of scans and sorts, pinning you in a web of weights that stole the joy from curating moments meant to inspire, leaving your spark dimmed by the drag of dated design. But slide the Dell ECT1250 into your corner, and it's a gentle revolution, that warm wave of assurance cresting over you, the clutter of chords and crashes receding like a tide, replaced by this steady, enveloping poise that cradles your focus. The hesitation fades to flow, every gesture met with a whisper of affirmation, and you settle into your stride with a subtle glow, knowing you've stepped beyond the bind of barely enough into a space where your ingenuity breathes free. Watch it weave through your rhythm. You're in the heart of home base at midday, sifting through seasonal shoots via that effortless SD slot, images blooming vibrant and vast on dual displays, edits etching in with the finesse of a well-honed blade, letting stories from hikes and holidays take shape without a single stalled breath. Afternoons bleed into virtual huddles with far-flung collaborators, cams crisp and shared screens sailing smooth, voices layering over layouts that lock in consensus like puzzle pieces falling true. Even those twilight tangents, diving into digital scrapbooks for the kids' project, layers stacking swift and seamless, turning what was once a chore into a cherished ritual that binds you closer. Beyond the blueprint, it's the soft thrill of synergy, that nurturing nudge where intention blooms unbidden, a quiet communion that lifts your labors into legacies, leaving you not just accomplished, but alive with the afterhum of creation that lingers like sunlight on skin. Hang tight, don't drift into the drift of deals dissolving or shelves stripping bare. This is the gentle pull to plant your flag while the ground's still giving. You might linger on the stature, too steadfast for nomadic nights, or the graphics too grounded for grand illusions. Turn the lens, that stature roots your ritual like an oak in fertile soil, and the grounded grace? It channels energy into the essence of your craft, unburdened by excess. And the hidden harmony? It pairs flawlessly with wireless whispers, extending your reach across rooms without a tangle, transforming isolated islands into an interconnected haven that surprises with its seamless sprawl. Embracing this presence rekindles your essence. You carry the calm command of a curator who's chosen companions over chaos, the steward of sanctuaries that spark wonder in waves, each dawn's draw affirming, this is the foundation of your finesse, laid for chapters that cherish the chase. You'll embrace the ease of expansions that invite your intuition, the delight of drives that dance through data deluges, the serenity of sessions that sustain without strain, the warmth of workflows that welcome whimsy, and the profound peace of a partner that parallels your path, from daily drifts to deliberate depths. Granted, it favors fixed fortresses over fleeting flights, and the bundled keys might murmur a touch too clicky in sacred silences. Yet those are soft summons to savor your space, not stumbling blocks. One breath, and the barrage of backups breaks. You let go of the labyrinth of lookalikes and lean into the lull that's lapped at your longing all along, the quiet quorum. This is the quietus to your quest, profound and present. Rise to it, reach for the ribbon, root it in your realm, and let the first light uplight your legacy. The life you shape starts here, shape it without delay.